Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can gather more info on a person's account on Instagram. So for instance, I want to select this photo here, and I want to see like when this account has been created, their past usernames. You can see that as well, and where their account is based on. So if you go to the three dots, not the three lines here, there is an about this account section, and you can see when they've joined. As you can see, they've joined in May 2021, and it's an account based in the UK. You can also see the accounts that they've shared with followers. I guess I don't really know what this means, but the other one is you can see their past usernames as well if they've changed it, and that's how you can see the account info on someone's Instagram, I guess. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.